Just the shoulders that we stand on being at this university is really mind-blowing.
On average, 50% of the time in the lecture hall or the classrooms are mutual communication between the teacher and the students.
The program itself is great. If you look at the modules, it says Masters of Accounting, but there's accounting, but there's so much more.
We're not just hyper-focused on accounting. We are leaders of the future, essentially, and that's what the course prepares you for. Because I think that the nice thing here is about that you don't only have the business school, but you also have the entire university. If you're curious about a subject, they will open their doors and you will find a community here.
And that's what really gives me exposure that I cannot get in my usual workplace.
Sometimes I sneak out to the water store and turn on the FaceTime, show them the bookshelf, let them to select what to buy as a souvenir.
There's so many great restaurants, and we all go out for drinks and for dinner and have a great time.
It's like history around every corner. Right there, right there.
Every time I come to study 1 week and I go back for 3 to 4 months, you can apply it in the office at the real time once you go back to it.
This degree, it's something that really helps you better your professional life and your personal life. I don't think you would get that anywhere else.
I really love the diversity of courses provided here. It really is not just about accounting, but it's also about Python, it's also about data analytics, it's also about AI.
The classes that we've taken have just inspired real-world application in my current role and sparked ideas that I just didn't have before and has opened my eyes to possibilities that I didn't realize existed.
Even just today, we had professors who gave lectures who are actively making an impact in not just finance and accounting, but the general zeitgeist of the world.
And there are always opportunities to, network and do interesting projects, interesting research. So that's a really, really interesting dynamic in our classroom discussions and group work.
It makes you keep thinking about classroom discussion even after the class.
There's so many unique aspects here that I feel you can't get anywhere else in the world.
It's a really warm city, warm town, and I really enjoy being here.
I would choose Cambridge again and again, without a doubt.